look at that, bro. Look how clear my camera is, bro.
You don't want to put a bad comment.
Bro, my camera is like, hold on, let me see. Hell yeah, bro. I shit off the chain, bro. Yours got the little. I can zoom in on mine.
I can't zoom in on this one.
Yeah, I can zoom in on mine.
What you talking about, baby?
Still suck. Bro, I want to get the close and up person. Oh!
Get me on camera.
Hell, fuck you, nigga.
Fuck you. I want to be on camera.
Nigga, man, oh, look at that ugly nigga right there. Oh my God, he's so ugly. Ew, Cujo, you ugly. Bro, that'd be so dirty, bro. Oh, I'm about to start recording.
Can I do it? Can I hook it up? No. I know what I'm doing. All right, everybody. Hey, I want everybody to back up a little bit more if we could. Hold up.
Oh, I'm about to start recording.
Yes. What you got to play, man? Have to be like what?
A 3, 2, 1, a countdown.
Countdown. No,
Count
screw that.
down, bro.
Screw that.
Just do it.
Do it.
Do
Like
it.
Nike, just do it.
5,
Dang, he got the
4,
big screen, bro.
3,
I'm pretty sure all iPads are doing that.
1. And
It's coming.
oh, come on.
It's a dud.
Driving with like as soon as you go walk over there, she'll explode.
A dud? You kidding me?
He's screwing with me.
Someone go check.
He picks up. Boom.
Oh, shit.
Try it again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey, Curtis,
Whoa,
you kinda missed
man.
it. Hey, put this on YouTube. Epic fail.
Well, there we go. Heard it.
God damn it.
This would be so funny, dude.
Bro, you so ugly. And I'm putting this on YouTube.
Go ahead.
I'm like,
Put on
epic
Facebook.
fail / roast session. Roast. With all the kids in the back.
Let's count the white. That nigga shit. We go 1, 2, 3,
Damn, times
4.
you got nugget. Nugget.
Dang, what do you say? Satellite screen.
Oh, you
Bro, I gotta get me an iPad, dog.
Can we say homosexual?
Homosexual.
All right, try it again.
It might happen this time.
Can you say mayor of Gayville? He was like, that guy. You should do that again.
Hey,
1, 2, 3, go.
bro, you fucking ugly, dude.
All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, epic.
That was cool.
That has gotta hit you in your chest. All that gotta hit you.
Look at that thing.
Dude.
Woo, buddy.
Oh, that was sick.
Damn, you feel the heat from it right here. Damn, girl.
Once that shit explodes again for the second time.
That would be fun. Like,
That'll be so.
Can we touch it?
Go ahead and touch it.
Huh?
Go ahead and touch it.
Yeah, go ahead. Ain't not gonna happen. Go ahead, pick it up. Pick it up. Bam!
Sick nasty, dog.
What's all that powder stuff? Is that heat?
But that thing's stupid hot,
Dude,
bro.
look at that.
Kyle.
Heat grass footprints. There you go.
Bro, it'd have been funny if somebody said it. I feel like shit.
How long is the video so far?
4 minutes.
Shut up.
Both y'all have to show it.
Put it on YouTube.
Shut up.
You couldn't see what mine have messed up. It went fit right.
Mine are crooked, so they did fit.
Shut up.
I got punched in the face.
You got punched in the face.